Seal the cut tip of a caulk tube so no air can reach the remaining material. Cut the nozzle as recommended for the bead size you need, and immediately remove any excess cured residue from the opening with a clean utility knife or a small screwdriver. Press a conforming cap or reusable nozzle cap onto the tip until it seats fully. These caps match the taper of the nozzle and prevent gaps where air can enter. Wipe the exterior of the tip dry and then wrap one layer of polyethylene tape, such as plumber tape, directed from the nozzle outward to ensure the tape tightens as you wrap. For extra redundancy, apply a second layer of pressure-sensitive tape, like high-quality vinyl tape, overlapping the first layer and extending onto the shoulder of the tube so the seal is mechanically held. Never rely on loose nails or screws jammed into the tip because they create microchannels and rust risks. Instead, store the tube standing upright with the tip up in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. If you expect to store the tube for more than a few weeks, squeeze a small amount of solvent recommended by the manufacturer into the tip if appropriate for the product chemistry, or transfer the remaining material into an airtight syringe or resealable cartridge designed for sealants for long-term preservation. The most common mistake is cutting the nozzle too small, which forces excessive pressure and causes premature curing at the cut edge. Avoid that by measuring bead width first and trimming incrementally until you get the right opening. Another frequent issue is not cleaning the tip before sealing, which lets cured flakes prevent a full cap seat. Scrape or wipe the nozzle clean before applying the cap so it seals against fresh material. People often use improvised metal objects like nails or screws to plug the tip and then find air still seeps in or corrosion contaminates the seal. Use purpose-made caps, tape backup, or transfer to a proper storage cartridge instead. BigHomeProjects.com is our platform that connects homeowners with local contractors and features a discussion community where people share tips and experiences about projects like caulking and preservation. We help contractors find work by letting them join conversations, showcase their work, and respond to homeowner questions.